Fail attestation status and BIOS firmware update required. Are you trying to play Call of Duty Warzone but you're getting fail attestation status applied or BIOS firmware update required even though TPM 2.0 and security boot are already enabled? You are not alone. After activations, a recent Ricochet security update, many players on Reddit and YouTube comments are getting logged out of ranked and competitive playlists. These are the most upvoted real user fixes that are actually working right now. First, reset your security boot keys. Simply turning secure boot on is not enough anymore. Restart your PC and enter your BIOS using delete or F2. Open secure boot settings. Change secure boot mode from standard to custom. Select reset factory keys, clear secure boot keys or enroll default keys. The wording depends on your motherboard. Then change the mode back to standard. Make sure secure boot is enabled, save changes and restart. Many Reddit users say this instantly fixes the attestation error. Next, clear your TPM cache. If Windows is still using old security certificates, Warzone will continue to fail the check. Press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc and press enter. Click clear TPM on the right side, restart your PC. If you use BitLocker, make sure you have your recovery key before doing this. A lot of players fix the problem after clearing TPM and restarting. Now check your BIOS version. Many players discovered that older motherboard firmware versions fail activation's new security validation. Press Windows plus R, type tpm.msc and check your TPM manufacturer version. If your BIOS is several versions old, visit your motherboard manufacturer's official website, download and install the latest stable BIOS update. This has been one of the most successful fixes for MSI, Asus, Gigabyte and ASRock users. Also check your COD background services. Press Windows plus R, type services.msc and press enter. Look for COD broker services. If it's available on your system, make sure the service isn't disabled. Some users found that Windows optimization tool accidentally disabled required services. Last, verify that Windows actually sees secure boot. Press Windows plus R, type msinfo32 and press enter. Check that BIOS mode says UEFI, secure boot state says on. If either of these isn't correct, Warzone's attestation check will continue to fail. Try these fixes one by one. Most players are getting back into competitive playlists after resetting secure boot keys or updating their motherboard BIOS. Bye-bye.